Hello fellow AGDxers, here is a little update for version 4MB, which is not out yet. I'm just trying to tidy up a few things, but it's making good progress, and I have restored the ULAplus Palette editor. We found some space for it and it is back, and I have added a couple of new features. So I'm using the Specky emulator here, which is ULAplus compatible. Unfortunately, Fusion Spectaculator don't use that, but once you've kind of finished your game and you want to change the palette, you can load it into this emulator, make the changes, and then save your ULAplus version if you want to. Okay, so as you can see, as per usual, we've got the palette here, and if you press R, G or B, you can change red, green or blue, as I'm doing here. But what I've changed is you can now press Control R, G or B, and it will go up or down. So that's a similar effect that you get with the color editor. So it's quite easy to change up and down to change the color. That adds a little bit of flexibility. And in addition, you can also press M to copy and K to paste. And that allows you to then obviously move your colors around a lot easier than you could previously. Well, you couldn't previously. So okay, and for example, you could say copy the black one here, make a load of black there, and then just kind of change as you wish, start from 0. And if you wanted to restore it, of course you can just kind of go like this and just copy it back from there like that. Okay, and the other thing I've added here is I've put the address up here where the palette is stored. It's 64 bytes. Obviously there are 64 colors here, and that will allow you to back up a palette if you want to. You can then try loading that into another game if you want, and basically it's just another level of flexibility. Okay, so that was just an update. Thought you might be interested, and expect more updates soon. Okay, in the meantime, happy coding. See you soon. Bye.